In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to upload files and folders to GitHub. This is useful for storing your code, backing up projects, and collaborating with others. First, open your web browser and navigate to github.com. Once you're there, log in using your credentials. After logging in, look at the left panel of your GitHub dashboard and click Create Repository. On the repository creation page, enter a name for your repository. Choose something descriptive that represents the files or project you'll be uploading. You can also add a description to explain what the repository is for. This step is optional but can make your repository easier to understand. Next, choose the repository visibility. Select public if you want anyone to be able to view it, or private if you only want yourself and invited collaborators to have access. Once you've configured these options, click Create Repository. After your repository has been created, look for the option that says Uploading an existing file and click on it. On the Upload page, click Choose Your Files. A file browser will open on your computer. Browse through your folders and select the files you want to upload. You can select multiple files at once. Then click Open. Once your files have been added to the upload area, wait for the upload to finish. Depending on the number and size of your files, this may take a few moments. When everything has finished uploading, scroll down and click Commit Changes. GitHub will now save your uploaded files to the repository and add them to your project's version history. Finally, check your repository to make sure the files were uploaded correctly. You can click on an uploaded file to open it and view its contents. And that's it. You've successfully uploaded files and folders to GitHub and can now use them for collaboration, version control, or backup. Thanks for watching.